Oh, father dear, I oft times heard you speak of Erin's Isle. Her mountains green, her wooded scene, her valleys rude and wild. I've heard it is a pleasant place wherein a prince might dwell. Then why have you forsaken her? The reason to me tell. My son, I loved our native land with energy and pride. And then a blight fell on the land, and sheep and cattle died. The rents and taxes were to pay, I couldn't them redeem. And that's the cruel reason why I left old Skibbereen. It's well I do remember on a cold November's day, the landlord and his agent came to drive us all away. He set my house on fire with his demon yellow spleen, and that's the cruel reason why I left old Skibbereen. It's well I do remember in the year of 48, we all arose with Erin's boys to fight against our fate. I was hunted through the mountains as an outlaw to the Queen, and that's another reason why I left old Skibbereen. Oh, father dear, the day will come when vengeance loud will call, and we'll arise with the Ireland boys, and we'll rally one and all. I'll be the man to lead the van beneath our flag of green, and loud and high we'll raise the cry, revenge for Skibbereen.